Hello, I'm Greg. Today I will show you how to change Audi A8 EPB rear brake pad. As you know, we already showed you how to change rear brake pad on this car. Previously, you have to select badge setting to open the electronic rear brake caliper and replace new brake pad, and then go to adaptation control to put pad thickness. After that, you have to go to badge setting again to close the caliper and select parking brake function test. This process was very complicated, so our engineers developed new function called pad change or processing. Let me show you how it works. Before you raise the breaker, please set jack mode. Select car, setup, jacking mode on. Diagnosis. Audi. General. Maintenance. Brake pad exchange. Okay. Now here we have special function. EPB pad exchange for Audi A8. Condition: maintain the sufficient level of vehicle battery voltage. Turn ignition on and engine off. Switch the electronic parking brake on and off. If ready, please select OK to continue. Now here, F1, pad change or processing. Run the electronic motor to open the rear brake for pad replacement. Please select OK to continue. Okay. The electronic motor is running to open the rear parking brake for pad replacement. Please check if the rear parking brake is open when the motor running noise stops. Please select OK to continue. Now you can change rear brake pad. After when you change new rear brake pad, you just need to select here OK continually. But while you were changing rear brake pad, be careful. G-scan must remain connected with the breaker while replacing the rear brake pad. Pad thickness. Now here you just need to input pad thickness. Select OK. Here new value 14. Then OK. New value 14. Are you sure? OK. The rear brake pad thickness input has been completed. Just OK. Close rear parking brake. OK. Please check if the rear parking brake is closed when the motor running noise stop. Now noise stop. Select OK. The motor has stopped. Now here, OK. Test mode. OK. The motor runs to open and close the rear parking brake for 3 times. Please select OK when the motor running noise stop. Test mode has been completed. Everything is done to change the rear brake pad. Just make sure when you have the fault code 02596 rear brake pad on. Erase the fault code, turn ignition off and on when the code is erased. Running a driver test is recommended after the pad replacement. As you have seen, the new function pad change or processing. This is very useful function for technicians. Many technicians make mistake. They don't know how to open electronic parking brake caliper and how to close, and what is pad thickness, what is test mode, and annotation. So we will continue to develop this kind of useful function for our customer. Thank you for watching. See you next time.